Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain LENME app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with quick analysis and breakdown about this app, which is LENME. LENME is a peer-to-peer lending app that lets borrowers request small loan, usually between $50 to $5,000 with no credit check. Investors fund them at set APRs. The app features quick borrowing. Funds often arise within 1 to 2 days. Clean UI, robot tools to help lenders, and options for crypto-backed loan with subscription pricing as low as $1.99 per month. Many users praise it is best app ever, easy to use and easy to set up, easy to navigate as well, but it has a serious reliability concern. Report shows borrowers go often weak with no loan offers. Lenders also face high difficulty rate. Some mentions over 70% of loans will not be paid back, and customer service can be irresponsive or glitchy. So BBB even gives a LENME an F rating, stating a complaint about overcharge and identity issues. As a Redditor's Blunt put it, LENME is a scam. Over 70% of loans will not be paid back, and that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about LENME app, and that's it.